Worried about robots taking over? Here's a list of jobs AI might steal soon. Let's dive right in. Journalism and reporting. AI is already writing news articles. Bartenders and baristas. Automated drink makers are on the rise. Stock traders. Algorithms trade faster than humans. Postal workers. Drones and robots are doing deliveries. Doctors, anesthesiologists, surgeons. AI is aiding in surgeries and diagnoses. Pilots, soldiers, security guards. Drones and AI enhance safety and efficiency. Travel agents. Who needs them when AI can book your trip? Chefs and cooks. Robot chefs are cooking up a storm. Bomb defusing, robots are already doing the dangerous work. Typists, secretaries, switchboard operators, automation is handling the paperwork and calls. Assembly line workers, robots have been here for a while. Drivers, self-driving cars and trucks are hitting the roads. Cashiers, bank tellers, clerks, self-checkouts and online banking. Fast food drive-through, AI taking your order. Packing, stockroom, warehousing, robots are more efficient. Pharmaceutical work, AI is helping in drug discovery and prescriptions. Information analysis and research, AI is crunching numbers and data faster than ever. Stay tuned, your job might be next.